design to print competition is going to witness all the above. Now, this competition have 4 phases. The first phase is the design phase, second one is that design will be reviewed, and the third one is the printing phase, and finally the printed component will be evaluated.
I am Sahil Karni.
I'm Anirudh Mazumdar.
I'm Pavitra.
We were given a theme. The theme was based on making a multi-purpose drone basically. So a drone that can be used for multiple purposes.
We are in an intermediate level. We had an opportunity to showcase our model, which we thought not only a drone could fly, but a drone could also go underwater. So we just designed it in such a way where it could be used as a nuclear weapon with a self-destructing mode and a detachable capsule to collect samples from underneath ocean where human intervention is impossible.
I see 3D printers absolutely replace the normal technology. A 3D printer can literally make anything, any 3D design which is put in it. Future is bright. Once it catches up to the normal processes, they stand no chance.
It was a very good event organized by Alliance University. Let me first of all compliment them for choosing such an important topic like design to 3D printing.
I'm glad you have taken up this particular area, and it's a subset of rapid prototyping, and you can sure reduce the time for the final product development in different ways.
It is a time you can develop products. Convert your ideas into products.
The course and the testing you are having today, as well as this workshop itself, is excellent.
Especially I went and saw you are working on sensors, IoT devices.
Alliance University is on the correct lines to achieve this item and target as far as India is concerned.
I must once again compliment the university for creating such an opportunity. So wish you all the best and grand success in all your future endeavors.